Hey there, it's Elementor time. Header and footer. What's the easiest way to set up your footer with no plugins except using Elementor Pro? Let's do it. Okay, so I'm assuming you've already downloaded and installed Elementor Pro. It's pretty cheap and it's awesome, so you should grab it. I'm also assuming you have watched my video on how to set up Elementor with no theme, maximizing performance, speed, and flexibility. Link in the description below. Now let's go ahead and go into the theme builder. Okay, and this will start the process. Now we have a great selection to start from. Let's go into the header section. And let's look at which ones do we want to use here. So I would memorize and understand these templates and structures. There are so many headers and footers that you can change into your own, and the templates that are already preloaded give you an amazing depth to work with in case you want to customize it. So let's choose one. I think this one is the one that will match. Yeah. Okay, this one matches my template already. Cool. Okay. Now, a good practice before doing any of this is making sure you have everything set up properly. And just so you know, I have a perfect web design workflow kit where I dive into exactly how to set up your website from a branding, copywriting, messaging, design, UI, UX, development standpoint. There's a free version and a paid kit with more tools, templates, scripts for you to use. So check out the free version to see how powerful it is to set up your site the best way. Now, assuming you've already have your workflow down, right? For example, like what's, having your site mapped so that you know exactly what menus to use, the logo, the font, the colors, the messaging. It's good to have all that done before. Otherwise, you'll have to do something like, okay, I think I want an about page and a service page, and to do that, go to menu screen, and then you kind of have to like fill it out, based on what you think. Instead, you should probably, do that before, but this is how to add things. So you can add a page here. So your pages, click view all. And once you have all your pages kind of made, you can add them if that's how you prefer to do it. Do the home. Let's move it up here. Save menu. Okay. And if we go back, so let's go ahead and publish this. I'm going to add condition, entire site, save and close. And then let's go to live site, and you'll see home right there. Pretty cool. Now, let's go back to the, there we go. Okay, so I had to refresh that. So another cool way to edit it, to edit the header from wherever you are at in the site, is to go to edit with Elementor header, and boom, it gets you back into, you'll see in a minute here. Okay, puts you back into the header editor. Now let's go back and add a footer real quick because it's looking good, but we really need a footer. So go to theme builder, go to footer, and let's use this one. And voila, very nice. I'm gonna kind of change these real quick because it bothers me. Okay, I'm sorry, it bothers me. I gotta do it. Okay. Dine floor. Yeah, let's just. Okay, we'd love to dine with you. Okay. Again, you should have all this done beforehand, but I'm doing this as just an example for you. So publish, add condition, save and close. Now let's go to live site. I'm going to click on the home page, and boom. See, I already have this template for you. I already had this template loaded up in Elementor in my other video that you can see, and it looks fantastic. Oh, okay, let's refresh. As you can see, oh, there you go. Okay, sometimes you need to refresh. Yeah, and it looks fantastic. I would also just edit that out there in Elementor itself. But other than that, looks really good. Yeah, so please, so smash that like button if it helped you. Comment with any questions. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any videos of my Elementor tutorial series. I'm going to be making a lot of these, concise and very easy to follow. So have an amazing day. Talk to you soon.